Hi, Jane.
Hi.
How old are you today?
3.
No.
I'm 5.
You're 4.
I'm silly.
You're very silly. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Okay. What's your favorite toy?
A squirrel toy, but I like pink and flip-flops, and I like all kinds of colors. I like a rainbow. Mud. I look so cute. I love rainbows. Oh, rainbows. And I love these decorations.
Like your birthday decorations? What's your favorite fruit?
Passion fruits.
Good choice. Passion fruit's very good. What's your favorite thing to watch on TV?
The movie that I'm watching right now.
Okay. That would be epic. What's your favorite thing to eat for lunch?
A blue sandwich.
Okay. What's your favorite outfit?
The outfit I'm wearing.
Well, will you stand up and show me? Oh, it's very fancy. Thank you.
And I want to play outside and play in that real house.
You'll get to. What's your favorite game?
Freeze tag.
Okay. What's your favorite snack?
A bologna sandwich with cheese and balloons and paper.
Okay. What's your favorite animal?
I like an animal that scurries around the sand that's so cute. It's a crab.
You like a crab?
Yeah, now let's do a bug.
What's your favorite bug?
I like a butterfly.
That's a good choice. What's your favorite song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Good choice. What's your favorite book?
Mary had a little lamb.
Who is your best friend?
Nathan.
Okay. What's your... Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. What's your favorite thing to do outside?
Play in the playhouse.
Okay. What's your favorite thing to drink?
Juice.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
What do you like to take with you to bed?
This.
You're gonna be your new Barbie mermaid? What's your favorite thing to eat for breakfast?
We always did that way.
No, I think I asked you something else. We can skip it if you'd like. Here's the biggest one. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Artist. And a balloon decorator.
That sounds like a great idea. All right, can you say bye?
Bye-bye. See you later.
Happy birthday, Jane.